Your schematic is your best tool in order to identify what style of lid switch or lid lock is in your machine, be it a top load or a front load. This schematic, for example, would indicate that it's a basic on and off lid switch that's probably from a mechanical top load with a brake. Then you're starting to get into a machine in which you have either an electronic board or electronic timer that is using a lid switch that incorporates a lid lock. And it's using some form of mechanism to create a lock pin to lock that door so it can't be opened until the drum has stopped rotating. And that can be use either some form of solenoid or wax motor or electric motor in order to do that. You'll also see now on some of the machines as well getting a bit more sophisticated in which the lid switch is basically not only a locking mechanism, but it's sending input to the control board telling it as to whether or not the door is in a closed position, an open position, if it's locked or unlocked. This is starting to become more and more popular, so you need to be able to refer to your schematic to know what type of lid switch lock mechanism you have so that you can take your meter and diagnose the on-off switch within it or the mechanism that they're using to lock it. If you can't find your schematic or you feel that the diagnostic is getting a bit too involved for what you want to do, just reach out to your local service provider and they'll be more than happy to take care of that for you.